What's up, YouTube? Hello. So, probably my favourite sketch ever. Cue titles. What's up, YouTube?
Oh, yes. Yeah, that's good.
So, yeah, this is a Big Train, which was very good. It had Simon Pegg, Mark Heap, Kevin Eldon, that woman, that other woman, Bullmore, something Bullmore. She's very good. People who went on to do things similar, and indeed who had done similar things before. So in some ways in the middle of their comedy careers, some of whom did really well, some of whom didn't do as well but still did quite well. So you can see there's a whole smorgasbord of people doing different things at different levels, but I think the upshot is it's a funny show and it's got some good sketches. So let's dive in to this that I've called, and I think other people have as well, Show Fireman. It's quite long, so strap yourself in. It's going to be a bumpy ride. QVT.
Everything's going to be fine. Now just make your way to me, nice and easy.
Look on her face.
Yeah. All right, you're all right. Not long to go. Just hold tight, hold tight. Nearly there. Oh, you're a brave girl. Yeah, nearly there. Nearly there. Well done, you're a brave girl. There we go.
That must have been quite toxic.
Did you breathe in some smoke?
Is there any smoke in your lungs?
Is there any smoke in your lungs?
Yeah. Right, lad.
Oh, God.
Are you all right, love?
Yeah, I think so. Those show jumpers, they saved me.
It really is best to wait for us, right? They don't know what they're doing, them lot, you see. Oi! Oi, no! Get off there!
No, you go away! You just get off! Just you! Both of you just... I don't care! I don't have enough of this! Just go away! I don't care! I want you to go! You're just trouble!
Yeah, get him back, mate! Back behind the cars! There's fallen masonry! Get him out of there! Go on! I'm losing pressure! What the... Oi!
I prefer to adjust the pressure.
Just leave it!
It's dripping.
It doesn't matter! Get away! Just clear it off!
It's dripping.
What are you doing?
It's locked! I'm gonna have to go in with this!
Ow!
I mean...
Do you want me to hold that?
No, I don't! Just go away! Could you just move back and go away?
You're doing such a good job, you know, such a good job.
Brilliant.
Thanks for that, but just... Yeah, you're gonna have to go over there.
Yeah.
Behind the fire engine, just to the left of it. You see?
Yeah.
Look!
Yeah.
That's where you have to go, and go now. Go now, honestly. No, you're... Go away! Just go away!
All right, come on, you give us a hand. It's nearly out. Not all of you, just one of you. You, tall, skinny lad, come here. What's your name? What? Chris. Right, come on, get hold. Come on. Hold of that. No, keep your eye on the job. Keep your eye on the job. Look where you're at. No, don't do that. No, look. You want to do it or not? Yeah. That's it. No, that's just stupid. You're not doing it like that.
That's just stupid.
Down a bit. Bring it down. No, down more. That's it. Good lad. Hey, you've got it. You've got it. That's it. No, no. No, now, look at... Oh, get off. Get off. You spoiled... No, you spoiled it. That's it. No, all of you. None of you. None of you. No, down a bit. That's it. Oh, no, you're not painting the bloody house. There. You're there. All of you back. You better go. That's it. Down a bit. Moving down a bit. That's it. You're aiming at the base of the fire, right? All right, move it. Okay. Get a good hold of it. That's it. You're an actor, you're excellent. Very good. Right, bring it round a little bit, that's it. Very good. Okay, let go, that's it. Let go. No, let go. Come on, hold it properly. Right, okay, you've had enough. Right, come on. No, that's it. No, they didn't.
Hold that tight.
Don't fight over it. Don't fight over it. No, get away. You won't let it go, that's it. Now, are you happy? You won't let it go. Now, piss off.
There you go. Oh dear, it's very funny. Incidentally, I just noticed actually Graham Linehan is the director of this. I guess the whole series, or series is. And he's one of the writers of Father Ted. Sort of explains, I guess he probably wrote some of this as well, and that sort of helps to explain the surreal nature of it. I must say, the modern family who do a reaction to this, and it is quite funny because they conclude that there must be something in British culture that they're missing, that obviously show jumpers are stupid, or show jumpers would like to be firemen or something. Whereas of course it's just surreal. There's a sketch by Alexei Sale, and I must search for it. It's something like Morris dancers having running battles with, I can't remember what the other group is. It's like Morris dancers against bagpipers or something like that. Sort of similar idea, but hilarious. I love the bit at the end when they're all having a go on the hose, and you can imagine as actors they're all trying to sort of get one up on the others by doing the best reaction to the thing. Well, I think Mark Heap is actually the funniest. The first one, with his sort of playing with the water, and the way he stares at the guy while he's playing with the thing. Something vaguely sexual about that. So thank you. Not much else to say. I mean, Big Train is just surreal. They just take weird concepts and put them together, and it's brilliantly acted. And it's the realism, of course, that makes it all the more funny. And the childlike, it's dripping. Have you got smoke in your lungs? It's the realism that really, really does it. One of the best sketches ever committed to celluloid, or probably digital actually in those days. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't seen my other videos, do please watch them, because nobody does, and nobody watches this. It's just me in a room alone. Don't nobody go nowhere.
Now piss off!